Hey there, if you're hosting a festival, a trade show, or a conference, and you have your paid ticket levels, but you're going to offer at one free ticket level, maybe for children or for designated drivers or something like that, well, in this video, we're going to show you how you can create a special registration page where you have your paid ticket levels and you have a free ticket level, but you have to order at least one paid ticket level in order to get that free ticket. All right, let's dive in. So the very first step is to click on your event from the managers panel here. And we're gonna go over and make sure we have our ticket levels set. So I'm gonna click on times and tickets. And in this case, there's no ticket levels available. So I'm gonna go ahead and create my first ticket level right now. So with the 19th super early bird price of $125. And what I'll do is I'll create like a kid's ticket essentially. So I'll call it like a kids pass. And that's basically it for at least creating at least 2 ticket levels. Now we'll dive over to our customer registration pages over here, and we're gonna click here to create a festival view. So I'll click here to create a festival view, and we'll copy all of our details from our primary event. And I'll go ahead and grab a photo from our archive of photos here. Good enough, that works. And we're not gonna have this display on our homepage, so I'll keep it off for now. I'll click next, and I'll go ahead and select both our ticket levels here. But here's the special thing. It says super early bird. Imagine that was our regular price ticket. I'm gonna say there's a minimum of 1 on this. Now for Kids Pass, it's a minimum of 0. And let's say there's a maximum of maybe 2 kids per ticket order. So I'll click save here, and now our festival view is pretty much created. So I'll click this link, and I'll copy this URL, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here is our festival view page. It's similar to our event details page because we copied all the details over. And I'll click get tickets here. And as you can see, there's a minimum of 1 for the early bird price, and it says $125 here. There's no option to select 0. You have to select at least 1. If you want to select 2, you're more than welcome to, but you have to get at least 1 ticket. And if you wanted to get a children's ticket, you can do that as well too. And there's a maximum of 2 children's ticket, and that's completely configurable. I think the default over there was 10, but I trimmed it down to 2, but you can change it to any number you'd like. And the key thing is, you'll notice when I get to checkout here, there's no ability for me to sort of hover over and delete this ticket. That would be a bit of a loophole, right? So there's no way to delete this early bird ticket to get a free order. You have to order at least 1 adult ticket on this order. So yeah, so in this video, I showed you how to create a festival view. It's the only way really where you can create a minimum number of tickets, and that's it right there. And if you want to create this as a one-on-one situation where you have to order 1 of each, you can do that. And these pages are extremely flexible, so when it comes later on, when you no longer have that early bird price, let's say, for example, if I want to go over here and create like a regular price ticket. Let's do that too before we just disappear. I'll go over here and I will say, let's say the regular price is $190, for example. I'll click save. And when the early bird ticket is over, if you want to add that other one on there, just basically go to customer registration pages again, click on your event, click next on this page, and what you can do is uncheck this one and then check this one here and do what I did before, where I had a minimum of 1 on that one. I'll click on save. Now before we check out our event page again, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't clicked subscribe already on our YouTube channel. All right, so you can see here, our full price ticket, our $190 is pre-selected, and the Kids Pass is also available. All right, well, thanks for watching our videos today. Have a great day. Bye now.